breaking news update from the state of Tamil Nadu. DMK has called on Congress for yet another set of talks that are scheduled for tomorrow. The deadlock between DMK and Congress continues, with Stalin not willing to give more than 18 seats to Congress ahead of the elections. Sources are also telling Republic that Congress is not happy with the 18 seats that are being offered by the DMK and is seeking nothing less than 45 seats. The meeting between the DMK and the Congress was scheduled for this evening is what we're getting to know. So while DMK is sort of moving ahead with seat sharing talks with other allies, there seems to be a deadlock between the alliance pact between DMK and the Congress. We have Apurva joining us with more details about the talks that could take place tomorrow between Congress and the DMK. Apurva, what is the information that you're gathering from both these camps?
Sanika, we are looking at what is going to be the set of talks that will take place tomorrow between the DMK and the Congress. Remember, so far we have seen that the Congress on its side is not happy with the DMK. The DMK wants to give the Congress anywhere between 18 to 25 seats, but the Congress is has put out its demand for higher numbers, which is closer to 30 to 35 seats. And this talk that will most likely take place tomorrow will be the third round of talks that will take place between the DMK and the Congress. Remember, last time the Congress had almost 40 seats that were given from the DMK, and now with less than almost half of these seats that will be given, it will be interesting to see if the Congress will take this number of seats that will be provided by the DMK. We are also seeing that the Congress from its side is not happy with the numbers that the DMK is providing. In fact, several Congress cadres have already put in a request to the senior leaders from Congress who have come here for an internal meeting that is underway today, headed by Dinesh Gundurao, Veerappa Moily and several other leaders. And we are also seeing the several Congress cadres saying that if not we're satisfied with the numbers that the DMK are offering, we will also branch out to other possible alliances, is what cadres are also saying. But the Congress's senior leaders remain tight-lipped, saying that all things are better between the DMK and Congress, and that the alliance talks are going on, the seat-sharing talks are going on quite smoothly. It will be interesting to see by today evening what the Congress, what kind of a decision the Congress will reach, because the Congress, until now, there is still some discussions that are going on regarding the number of seats that the DMK is giving. So will the Congress decide what will it do?
Yes.
Will the Congress go ahead and accept the numbers that the DMK is giving, or will it work out? That will be something that we will see tomorrow. All developments are likely expected to take place tomorrow. The DMK has called on the Congress for the third round of talks tomorrow morning, Sarika.
Yes, Apurva, and as you continue to get us more details, we had some reactions coming in from the VCK chief as well, because VCK and DMK have finalized their seat sharing deal. Let's listen into what the VCK chief said after the talks.
I feel it is very essential to travel along with the DMK in this assembly election, because BJP and RSS, all Sangh Parivar movements, are targeting Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry in the absence of Kalaignar and Jayalalitha situation. So we won't allow them to develop here. That is very important. So we don't bother about the numbers. We should not break the alliance, DMK-headed alliance. For the past 5 years, we have travelled along with them in many issues. So we have signed today with the DMK for 6 assembly seats in forthcoming elections.
No, it has not yet become stalemate. It is still alive.
Okay.
And the differences will be sorted out.
And sir, also
When will the talks be going on?
I don't know, because I am not involved in the talk. And we are all senior observers for the coordination and management of the election. Let me talk to them now. The ground reality is it is good for the alliance of the DMK and Congress. Maybe that, the differences, if any, may be sorted out.